Hi guys, this is Joy again. Once again, you're welcome back again to Joy Kitchen BCN. In today's video guys, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make a quick bread and egg breakfast for kids and for adults. So yummy. Let's get started. Here are the few ingredients: bacon, smoked eggs, and milk bread. Those are the only few things requires. The next thing guys, I will go ahead and separate this bacon smoke. You can get this one in any supermarket, and for those that live in Spain, I got this one in a Mercadona supermarket. So once I am done with this guys, I will start with the egg. It does not really need too much of oil or overflowing of oil, no, just a drop. So I'll go ahead and crack my egg one after the other. Less than 3 minutes guys, this egg is ready. Try this guys, you will always become a lover of bread. And I want to really appreciate all my returning subscribers. From the bottom of my heart, I appreciate you all. May God bless you and increase you all in all you do. And if today is your first time of coming across this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Be a part of this humble family so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be first to be notified. And we are uploading soon again. And help me to share this video in all your platforms. Don't you think it will be helpful to your friends, people around you? So I will repeat this once I am done, guys. So I am fully done with the egg. So this is how I'm going to prepare the bacon smoke. Guys, this is the amount of egg I used. But in your case, you might use less than that. Depends of how many people that is going to consume it. And you can prepare this for your kids to take to school. They will appreciate it. So this is how I do the filling. Wonderful. So simple, but the end result guys is really amazing. In case if you have not tried it once, try it and let me know in the comment section below. I know you will love it. Your kids will love it. Guys, I am done. You can serve this one with any juice and even water, or add it to your kids for them to take to school. It's really wonderful. So in case if your kids is taking it to school, so this is how you need to wrap it. Or if you are not going to eat it immediately, just do this. We are almost done, guys. Wow. Simple to make, few recipe, but the end result is really amazing. Did you love what you are seeing? Oh my God, it's really yummy. Simple and rich. Can you see how it looks like? It tastes good, guys. So thanks for watching. I will see you soon again. Let me enjoy mine. I will see you soon again in another satisfying video. Share the video in all your platform. Bye bye.